Close your eyes for just a moment. Imagine waking up to a world untouched by noise. No traffic, no crowded streets, no endless rush. Only the gentle whisper of the wind, the soothing melody of flowing water, and hundreds of beautiful feel, and this is only the beginning. Because every corner of our planet hides wonders waiting to be discovered. Dense rainforests, snow-covered mountains, crystal-clear lakes, golden grasslands, peaceful wetlands. Each one tells its own incredible story. Each one is home to life found nowhere else. Nature never repeats itself. Every place is unique. Every sunrise feels different. Every moment can never happen again. The colors around us are not random. Every feather, every flower, every leaf, every sunset has been shaped over millions of years. What appears simple to our eyes is actually one of the greatest masterpieces ever created. No artist could recreate every tiny detail. No computer could perfectly copy every shade. Only nature possesses that kind of perfection. But beauty alone isn't enough to survive. Behind every peaceful scene, there is an invisible struggle, finding food, protecting families, escaping danger, surviving changing seasons. Life here is beautiful because it is difficult. Every peaceful morning is earned. Every new sunrise is another victory. Look toward the open sky. Hundreds of wings move effortlessly across endless blue. Some travel only short distances. Others cross mountains, oceans, and entire continents. Without maps, without roads, without signs, guided only by instinct. Scientists continue studying these incredible journeys, yet many mysteries remain unsolved. Perhaps some secrets belong only to nature. Have you ever noticed that the happiest moments in life often happen outdoors? Listening to the wind, watching clouds slowly drift across the sky, feeling warm sunlight on your face, hearing distant songs carried by the breeze. Nature asks for nothing, yet gives us peace without expecting anything in return. Maybe that's why millions of people travel across the world, just to spend a few quiet moments surrounded by wilderness. But don't think these peaceful landscapes remain the same forever. As the sun climbs higher, everything begins to change. Light becomes brighter, shadows become shorter. The forest grows busier. More movement, more voices, more life. A completely different world is about to unfold. And what happens next will reveal why nature continues to amaze every person lucky enough to witness it. The morning has fully arrived. Golden light now stretches across valleys, forests, rivers, and open fields. What seemed silent only moments ago has transformed into a world filled with movement. Every branch, every leaf, every gentle breeze carries signs of life, and yet most of it happens so quietly that many people never notice. That is the magic of nature. It never demands your attention. It simply waits for you to slow down. Look carefully. The sky is no longer empty. Graceful silhouettes drift effortlessly above the landscape. Some move alone, others travel together, almost as if invisible strings connect every movement. No collisions, no confusion, just perfect harmony. How can hundreds of living creatures share the same sky so effortlessly? Perhaps because they understand something humans often forget. There is enough room for everyone. Have you ever stopped and listened? Not just heard, but truly listened. Close your eyes for a second. Notice how every sound has its own place. The gentle rustling of leaves, the distant whisper of flowing water, the soft wind moving through ancient trees. Each sound joins another, creating a natural symphony that no orchestra could ever recreate. There is no conductor, no written music, yet everything remains perfectly balanced. Nature performs the same masterpiece every single day. And then, something unexpected catches your eye. A sudden flash of brilliant color dances through the trees, gone in an instant. Just a reminder that beauty often appears only for those who are paying attention. How many extraordinary moments have we missed? Simply because we were looking down at a screen. Nature rewards patience, not speed. As the day grows warmer, life becomes more active. Wings stretch toward the open sky. Some glide effortlessly on rising warm air. Others weave gracefully between towering trees. Every movement is filled with purpose. Nothing is wasted. Not a single flap, not a single turn. Everything conserves precious energy. Because survival isn't about being the strongest. It's about being the smartest. Yet even in this peaceful paradise, nothing is guaranteed. The same forest that provides safety can become dangerous without warning. The same sky that offers freedom can change within minutes. Dark clouds slowly gather on the horizon. The wind changes direction. The air becomes strangely quiet. Nature is preparing for something. Can you feel it? A single drop of rain falls, then another. Within moments, the entire landscape transforms. Rain begins dancing across leaves. Tiny streams awaken beneath the forest floor. The dry earth breathes again. Every drop brings life. Every storm renews the world. While many people run away from rain, nature celebrates it, because without rain, there would be no forests, no rivers, no flowers, no life. Watch closely now, even during the storm. Nothing truly stops. Some creatures wait patiently beneath thick branches. Others continue their journey without hesitation. Everyone adapts differently. And perhaps, that is one of nature's greatest lessons. You cannot control every storm, but you can choose how you face it. As quickly as the storm arrived, it begins to fade. Clouds slowly drift away. Sunlight returns. And suddenly, something magical happens. Tiny droplets remaining on leaves sparkle like thousands of diamonds. The entire forest glows. It feels almost unreal, as though the world has been freshly painted. Sometimes, the most beautiful moments come immediately after life's hardest storms. Far above, the sky stretches endlessly. Below, ancient forests continue breathing quietly. Everything feels connected. The rivers feed the trees. The trees shelter countless lives. The wind carries seeds. The rain restores the earth. Nothing exists alone. Every living thing plays a role. Even the smallest life can shape an entire ecosystem. Nature reminds us that every life matters. Now imagine this incredible world, long before cities existed, long before roads, long before buildings reached toward the sky. This planet belonged entirely to nature. Mountains stood untouched. Forests stretched beyond the horizon. The only sounds were flowing rivers, gentle winds, and the endless rhythm of life itself. For millions of years, this balance remained, and somehow, against every challenge, it still survives today. But the story is far from over, because as daylight continues to grow, new adventures begin. Hidden places reveal themselves. Unexpected encounters wait just beyond the trees and somewhere ahead. One breathtaking moment is about to remind us why nature remains the greatest storyteller on earth. So stay with us, because the journey has only just begun. The day is now at its brightest. Warm sunlight pours across endless landscapes, revealing details that were hidden only hours ago. Every leaf seems to glow. Every breeze carries the scent of fresh earth. And everywhere you look, life continues its endless rhythm. Nature never pauses. It simply changes. Have you ever wondered why watching the sky can make your worries disappear? Perhaps it's because the sky reminds us that no matter how difficult today feels, there is always something greater above us. The clouds keep moving. The wind never stays the same, and neither do our problems. Nature quietly whispers, "This moment will pass. Look beyond the trees, across the open valleys, The world feels endless. There are no walls, no boundaries, only freedom stretching toward the horizon. Somewhere in that distance, another journey has already begun. Thousands of tiny decisions, made entirely by instinct. No maps, no instructions, only trust. Perhaps the greatest adventures begin when we stop trying to control everything. As afternoon light grows softer, gentle shadows begin painting the forest floor. Everything slows, but nothing truly rests. Hidden lives continue their daily routines, almost invisible to those who hurry through nature. This world rewards patience. The longer you watch, the more you discover. And then, a sudden gust of wind sweeps through the trees. Leaves dance through the air. Tiny seeds drift toward unknown places. A reminder that even the smallest movement can create something extraordinary. One seed can become a forest. One drop of rain can fill a river. One peaceful moment can change an entire day. Many people believe strength means power. Nature teaches something different. Real strength is resilience, standing through countless storms, growing after every season, beginning again, no matter how many times life changes. The oldest trees were once tiny seeds. The highest mountains were shaped by countless small moments. Greatness is never built overnight. Listen carefully. The forest sounds different now. Morning melodies have softened. The rhythm has changed. The air feels warmer. The breeze moves more gently. Even silence has its own voice. Sometimes, the quietest places speak the loudest. Have you noticed that nature never compares itself? No tree wishes to become a mountain. No river tries to become the ocean. Everything simply becomes what it was meant to be. Perhaps that is the greatest lesson of all. Stop comparing. Start growing. The sunlight now reflects across calm water, turning every ripple into liquid gold. A gentle breeze creates perfect circles across the surface. For just a moment, everything feels perfectly balanced. It reminds us that peace isn't found somewhere else. Sometimes, peace is simply learning to notice what's already around us, far away. The horizon begins changing colors. The brilliant blue sky slowly softens. Golden tones become deeper. The afternoon quietly prepares to become evening. Nature never rushes the transition. Every moment flows naturally into the next, just like life itself. Imagine standing here completely alone. No phone, no noise, no distractions. Only fresh air, open skies, and the endless beauty surrounding you. Wouldn't that feel like true freedom? Maybe happiness has never been as complicated as we make it. Maybe. It has always been waiting outside. As the day slowly moves forward, the world becomes even more beautiful. Long shadows stretch across open fields. Warm light touches every tree, every flower, every quiet corner of the landscape. Photographers often call this the golden hour, but perhaps it should simply be called nature's masterpiece. And just when you think you've seen everything, the world surprises you once again. The sky begins changing into brilliant shades of orange, pink, and deep crimson. The air grows cooler. The wind becomes softer. The forest prepares for another transformation. Because sunset isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning of another. Stay with us. Because as darkness slowly arrives, a completely different world awakens, one filled with mystery, silence, and breathtaking beauty that only appears after the sun disappears beyond the horizon. The most magical chapter is about to begin.